Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. You have to have a goal, but you have to have strategies to achieve it as fast as possible. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL means first attempt in learning. End is not the end, in fact END means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember a no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. The reality of your own nature should determine your speed. If you become restless, speed up. If you become tense and high-strung, slow down. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt, because even the successful maths starts with 0 only. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have a name in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. When troubles come, try to understand the relevance of your sufferings. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck.